focused on Clostridium tetani and its tetanospasmin toxin based on the mechanism of inhibiting neurotransmitter release. Question 1. A 25-year-old man steps on a rusty nail while working outdoors. He did not receive a tetanus booster in over 10 years. 1 week later, he develops muscle stiffness, difficulty opening his mouth, and painful back spasms. The exotoxin responsible for his symptoms has which of the following mechanisms of action? A. Inhibits acetylcholine release at the neuromuscular junction. B. Inhibits GABA and glycine release by cleaving snare proteins. C. Stimulates excessive dopamine release from the substantia nigra. D. Binds to ribosomal subunits and inhibits protein synthesis. E. Permanently activates Gs to increase CAM. Correct answer. B. Inhibits GABA and glycine release by cleaving snare proteins. Explanation. Tetanospasmin, the neurotoxin produced by Clostridium tetani, is a protease that cleaves snare proteins, preventing release of inhibitory neurotransmitters GABA and glycine from Renshaw cells, leading to spastic paralysis, trismus, and opisthonos. Why not the others? A. Describes botulinum toxin. C. Not the mechanism of tetanospasmin. D. Describes diphtheria and Shiga toxins. E. Describes cholera toxin. Question 2. A patient presents with sustained muscle contractions and hyperreflexia following a contaminated puncture wound. The responsible toxin acts on neurons in the spinal cord to block inhibitory signaling. Which of the following clinical findings is most consistent with this pathology? A. Flaccid descending paralysis. B. Dilated pupils unresponsive to light. C. Hyporeflexia and muscle atrophy. D. Trismus and opisthotonos. E. Rapid onset diarrhea and dehydration. Correct answer, trismus and opisthonos. Explanation. In tetanus, tetanospasmin inhibits release of GABA and glycine, causing sustained excitatory tone muscle rigidity, locked trismus, and severe arching of the back, opisthonos. Why not the others? A. Describes botulinum toxin. B. Could be from botulism or anticholinergic toxicity. Suggests a lower motor neuron lesion. E. Describes cholera or ETEC infection. Would you like questions